NVIDIA researchers have created a powerful breakthrough for 2D to 3D models. Now, it's possible to create a 3D animatable model with a single 2D picture. No 3D modeling software or experience required. It's automatic and easy. We call it GANVerse 3D. Most images are captured in 2D. GANVerse 3D gives creators in gaming, architecture, design, and more the ability to bring these 2D images to three-dimensional life in record time. With just a single 2D image, GANVerse 3D can create a 3D model, including the mesh, textures, and information needed to automatically animate the object. It works for any static object, from cars to animals to human faces and beyond. The 3D model can be rapidly brought into NVIDIA Omniverse, the open platform for real-time virtual collaboration and simulation. This means, for example, a single photo of a car can be turned into a 3D model, complete with working headlights and blinkers, and driven around in a virtual world. This gives creators of any skill level the ability to easily generate 3D models for diverse uses: storyboarding, previs, game content, architectural models, and more. Ready to see this groundbreaking tech in action? We uploaded a picture of Kit, the iconic 1980s AI car from Knight Rider, and brought it to 21st century AI-powered life.
Knight Industries 2000 here in full 3D. I think that got their attention, Michael.
Learn more at the link in our bio.
Omniverse really captured my good side. All of them.